So, good morning class. Today I will discuss about the median. This is the exercise 14.3 and I am going to explain how find the median of the frequency distribution is given, frequency is given, then find the median. So see the process with the help of question number 1. So question number 1 is exercise 14.3 and question first is class interval is given. Following frequency distribution given the monthly consumption of electricity of 68 consumers of a locality, find the median, mean and mode of the data, compare them. So we already explained how find the median and mode. Today I will discuss only the median. So class interval is 65 to 85. It is the 65 to 85 and this is the 85 to 20 is class size, so it is 105 and 105 to 125, 125 to 145 and 145 to 165 and 165 to 185 and 185 to 205. This is the class interval given and now frequency is given 4, 5, 13. This is the frequency F5. It is 4, 5, 13. 20, 14, 8. 20, 14, 8. And last one is the 4. Now, find the CF. CF means commutative frequency. CF. So add 4 as it is. When we add 5, it becomes 9. Now add this. It is 22. It is 42. And add the 14, it is 56, add 64 and this is the 68. Dear student, in question it is already given that 68 consumers. So sum of that is the 68. After that, need to find the median. So here n equal to 65, that is the even, then median equal to 34 term and 35th term upon 2. This is the median. So where is the 34th and 35th term? Both term is in commutative frequency 42. So here this is the median class. So median class is 125 to 145. 125 to 145. This is the median class. After that, use the formula. Median equal to L plus n by 2 minus CL upon F into H, where L is the lower limit of the median class. L is the lower limit of median class. Lower limit of median class. Now H equal to class size. After that, N. N equal to 68. Number of consumers are sum of the frequency. It can be sum of frequency. CF, it is the very important CF. It is the commutative frequency of class preceding the median class. CF is the commutative frequency preceding the median class. And F, it is the frequency of median class. Frequency of median class. Frequency of median class. So we can erase something. So this is the explanation. So write down the low L equal to lower limit of median class. So this is the median class and lower limit is 125. H equal to class size. Class size means what? Subtract it is the 20. N equal to sum of the frequency, that is the 68. CF equal to commutative frequency preceding the median class, that is the 22. CF equal to 22 and F equal to frequency of the median class, that is 20. Now with the help of this information you can solve the questions. As you know the formula here, median equal to L plus, so 125 plus in bracket n by 2, so it is 34 minus CF 22 upon F 20 to H 20 and 20 is the cancel out. So this is 125 plus, subtract it. This is the 2 and this is the 1. 4 minus 2, 2. Now add it. It is 7, 3 and 1. So median of that is the 137. So dear student, you can solve all other exercises on the basis of this. So I hope you will get this question, and after that you can solve all problem of exercise 14.3. Thank you.